In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add forms onto PowerPoint. This is a great way to make your presentation interactive, whether you're collecting feedback, running a quiz, or engaging your audience in real time. First, open PowerPoint and go to the presentation you want to work on. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and look for Get Add-ins or My Add-ins. Click on it, then use the search bar to type Forms. From the results, find Microsoft Forms and click Add to install it. Once added, you'll see the Microsoft Forms option available in your PowerPoint. Now, you'll need a form link. Open your browser, go to Microsoft Forms, and create a form if you haven't already. Then, copy the form link. Go back to PowerPoint, click on the Forms add-in, and paste your form link into the provided box. PowerPoint will automatically embed the form onto your slide, making it interactive for your audience. During the presentation, viewers can interact with the form directly, allowing you to collect responses instantly. And that's it. You've successfully added a form to your PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your presentation.